Religion is one of humanity's most diverse, yet narrowly understood social systems. Like major groups of organisms, for example, animals, plants, or bacteria, or like other major aspects of human culture, for example, language, art, or governance, religion has evolved into many different groups, kinds, and samples of diversity over time. Although specific differences distinguish one kind of religion from another, certain characteristics and historical records also interconnect and help classify them. The hierarchical organization of a modern classification is not meant as a qualitative ranking or ladder of progress. It is instead simply an efficient organization of nested groups within groups according to increasing levels of certain shared characteristics. Many of those shared characteristics can be hypothesized as evidence of historical relationship, especially in the absence of contemporaneous text records documenting otherwise. As a scientist who has studied and applied the philosophy and methods of evolutionary biology for several decades, I also became interested in the evolution of cultural systems. I was intrigued by the fact that many social scientists reject cultural evolutionism, cultural classification, and even the practice of comparativism, particularly within history of religion studies. That rejection drew me into a comparative study of one of human culture's most impactful aspects: religion. Much like lineages of biological organisms, lineages of religion have a constant and unavoidable tendency to diversify over time. Although I am not a social scientist by training, my decades of experience as an evolutionary systematist who is interested in change and diversification of groups over time gives me a particular perspective on the study of deep history. It allows me to approach the subject of religious history in an unconventional way. I also use my analytical experience to tie together the works of many social scientists, general historians, and history of religion specialists.